MidOpt offers a variety of exclusive filter kits designed for testing the effects of monochromatic imaging. The MidOpt FS100 and NS100 kits include essential optical filters for imaging. The FS100 offers 10 43mm UV, Vis, and NAR filters to reduce glare and enhance contrast, with QR codes for specs. The NS100 features visible ND filters to control light intensity while maintaining color and detail. The FK200 and 201 are portable machine vision kits with 10 threaded filters, step adapters, polarizing film, cleaning solution, and learning resources, all in a durable case. The FK201 adds UV, IR, and high contrast filters, plus high temperature polarizer film. Both kits have soft foam filter storage with extra room for 12 additional filters. This kit features 10 reduced bandwidth filters for precise wavelength separation, ideal for outdoor and fluorescence imaging. Versatile filter kits for UV, Vis, NAR, and ND applications. The FK100 provides the most popular filters, and the IK100 specializes in NAR imaging, while the NK100 offers customizable ND filter options. All include technical data and accessories in a durable binder. The SK100 is a complete testing kit with 70 filters, including bandpass, dual bandpass, long pass, ND, and more, all in a sturdy portable case with educational content and step adapters. Learn more at midopt.com. Thanks for watching.